We're walking east on Forest Avenue, Wilmette, and this is just an example. It's like a war zone here in Wilmette, just adjacent to the St. Joseph School. An NBC crew camera outfit was here filming earlier this morning, and this one house here to our right, kids were looking out the front door, when all of a sudden this huge massive tree just literally was ripped asunder, torn asunder, and that's what you got left, just a bunch of rubble. It's almost like a tornado hurricane effect. And as we walk across the street here, we see more trees down right across here. This is just continuing down, another tree totally just ripped in two like a toothpick. Massive tree falling down. Fortunately, these houses are all okay. But then we get down here, there is more devastation in front and behind. Just junk. And off to the distance here, we see a brick house that has two huge trees that just, almost like bowling pins, fell down together, perhaps at the exact same time, you'd wonder. But here we are, corner of 17th and Forest Avenue, and here's an example of what we're looking at, the power, the sheer power of what uprooted these massive trees in such a short period of time together. It's just incredible. Wow. I'm gonna walk over here and see who's this.